Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. The point of tonight's video, part 28, is to show you that this model is actually two different models in one kit. And that ascent stage looks complicated. These little tiny parts and these jets that one of them I had to pin on with a guitar string because it broke off flush. And we all know that flush plastic parts won't glue. So I get to this thing, and what makes it so complicated is the paint job. You got all this gold going on. You have to number the sides because they're all different, the corners where the legs go. Size 1, 2, 4 is all I need. And over here I got the legs drying. Turns out that clear orange paint, when you brush it on, it takes a while to really dry, because I had to mask to make those stripes, which you can clearly see in the in the reference photos taken by Michael Collins from the command module when they just released before they went down to the surface. So legs. So they're all I got each 4 of them identified, and I have to keep them in a separate bin because they're all different. They got different connectors points that go onto the descent module here, which I'll turn back over. And yeah, so I don't know why they made them all different, but I guess there's only one that's really should be different, and that's the one with the ladder on it, which is leg number 1. And it's got 2 slots where the ladder is going to mount, which I've got here. Just got the ladder primed up, and the descent nozzle, the big nozzle, and the porch. And that's the little guy there that, sorry. That's where the ascent module will sit on the descent module. That's kind of be up its butt. Up its little butt here somewhere. There we go. And that's what I got. Thanks for watching. Catch me next time. We'll have the legs on. Bye.